Hello, fellow traders of the world. Dadas here, speaking to you from the Dadas Trading Room Discord server. Now, today I'm doing the daily recap of my trading, and I would have to say I actually fucked up, and I fucked up seriously today. Seriously, relatively, of course. I lost $316, almost $317. How did I do it? Well, first of all, let's look at it this way. The market started up, going up, 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 up. When I woke up and I got to the computer, I thought to myself, well, the daily range is still not so big, so they might be going up further. So I got in short. Now, this is the first stupid thing I did today. The only thing that wasn't stupid is that I got in at 0.1 lot, so a minimum lot. So okay, so even but then I wasn't able to accept my loss, and I turned around at one lot and I made a profit. Then I made a small profit on the long and another small profit on the long, right? So everything was fine up to here. Everything was fine. Now, basically, what I was supposed to do, I had my resistance levels and I had my support levels. I had them. It's not like they turned out of the blue, right? I had them there. So, my only job was to click here and to find the first level, right? So the first impulse pullback, and I simply should have been trading. I shouldn't have been trading this long at all. At all. There was no long right there. I should have waited for the M15 to close and then wait for this price action and then decide to go short right there. And that's only one trade short and nothing else. I could have gone long like this. But again, that's not the proper way to do it, because I should have clicked here. If the price was turning around, I should have clicked here. I should have found the first impulse, right? And then wait to see what the price was doing here. I could have gone long at this level. Yes, I could have gone long at this level, or even at this level here where I actually did go long right here, right? But again, I went at 0.1 lot and I lost it. Okay, fine. Everything is fine right here. This is a normal trade. Then the only thing I could have done was to take that profit. But again, there's a reason why I shouldn't have gone long right there, and why I should have gone long right there. And the reason is that all the highs were lower and all the lows, and though there were there was a lower low, lower high, lower high, lower high. So all the highs are lower. So when the highs are lower, there is no bullish trend, at least not yet, right? And then I turned around, right? All of a sudden I decided I would turn around at one lot, but the market showed me the middle finger, and again I was forced to close right here, and again I turned around in long, this time at 3 lots, right? Now what happened? Nothing happened. The market just stopped. And where did it stop? Exactly at the support level, right? And I was waiting. I was $200. I had a $200 loss right there. And I waited until the market took another $100 out of me. So I'm over $300 behind. So that's like a month work or more, maybe, I don't know. Month's work worth. And why did I lose it? I lost it at my own demand, let's say, right? Because the only thing I should have done was this. And the only other thing I should have done was this. When the price was already there, when the price was already there, I already had my new level, right? So basically, the market never actually broke. Look, see this supply level right here? I mean, demand level. This demand level right here. This blue line right there. See that? So the market didn't really break that one. Well, come on, shit. I love that. I mean, it doesn't react like. I mean, see right there. There was no reason to go short right there. I mean, there was no reason to go short right there. The only reason was I could have waited to see what the price was doing on the pullback. And right here, the only thing I should have done right here was this. No, not like, come on. Now the platform is hanging. Now, yeah, this is perfect. Everything is just perfect. Okay, so I should have done this. And again, measured the first impulse. And that's it. That's all I can do. And now decide. So I've decided at the end of the day, while doing the Polish video, I decided to go long again at another 3 lots. Now, yeah, I've decided to go long again at 3 lots. And I've decided to put my take profit right there. Why? Because that's what the that's what the daily ranges show me, right? That's what the daily ranges show me, and this is the only 271 pips. So for DAX, it's in the lower portions, right? Recently, the DAX index has been doing bigger ranges. Well, last week wasn't so rich. Friday was also a holiday in the USA, right? So everybody was counting that today maybe the American market will be more vivid, but it actually wasn't. It was more like a dead market than a vivid market. So I'm counting on that tomorrow the market will simply make a move upwards. So yes, I'm breaking my rule now. I'm leaving this trade for tomorrow. If I lose it, the stop loss is right here. If I lose it, I lose around $377 more, which will be, back to the beginning, back to the drawing board. Anyways, but if the market goes according to this prediction, I should be tomorrow morning, perhaps, or during the night. I should have recovered all my loss and made a profit. Okay, let's see what happens. I'm really so pissed at myself today because I did everything like a stupid newbie who doesn't know what's going on. And I actually don't know why I did that. I actually don't know, and I don't understand why I did that. And that's the biggest problem. I know what to do. I teach people what to do. I failed to do it. Now, if someone can help me and tell me why, please join my Dada's Trading Room Discord server. The link is below in the descriptions, and help me understand how the fuck what should I do to avoid these stupid reactions right here, because they are stupid reactions, and I know that. Now, why do I do it? Why do I do it? Why can't I do what I teach and what I preach? Why do I run around trying to be smarter than the average bear instead of just doing what I'm supposed to do? And I'm just supposed to do the simple thing. If I see a reaction, at an important level, all I have to do is click and check if there is a trend building downwards. If it is, then I have the reasons on the M5 to take that trend, right? Right? I mean, look at the price action right here. It's like obvious it's going down, because it's finding resistance, right? And then I just have one good trade for about 50 pips. Like, how difficult is that? If I wanted to trade long, I could have traded long right there. Right there I could have traded long, and I did. But yeah, actually here I did trade long, but I wasn't certain at this moment, and then I got in again right there, and that was a good one, only at 0.1 lots. And here this one was at 0.7 lots, the proper way, by clicking on this candle. So the stop loss was right there, and the trade should have continued all the way up to this take profit level, and that would have been a good trade, a normal trade. The same thing right there. If the price is finding resistance at the same level again, then I had all reasons to trade short right here, and I could have traded it up from this candle, so the stop loss would have been right there, and the take profit would have been somewhere along the way to this level. And even more, at this moment I could have done this, like this, and I could have found the first, yeah, either like this or found it like this. In other words, yeah, I should have done it just as simple as that, because I can see two levels right here. I can see a level right there somewhere, or right here, and then I can see that this is another level. Yeah, and then I've got a clear situation right here, because I see that again there is a resistance level that the market is respecting, and it's again respecting, and it's again respecting right there. I have a clear resistance level, and then I have another clear resistance level, right? Like this. I have a clear resistance level like this, and this is the current resistance level, and this is the current price action going up and then going down, exactly where it's supposed to go, right? Exactly where it's supposed to go. Now it's bouncing off from this level, right? It's bouncing off from this level, so now we got support. We've got support. So this is support, not resistance, but support. That's why I'm in long right now. And since I'm looking at it from the perspective of M15, I'm gonna put my take profit right there. My take profit is right there. And whatever happens will happen. Thanks a lot for today. You got all the links below in the description. Join. You can also become my Patreon at patreon.com/Dadas Trading System Workshop, and for as little as $5 per month. But of course, nobody's listening. Okay, whatever. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're safe, and see you tomorrow. Bye.